No one is discussing these apps on YouTube that have girls to make $500 for 100% free. And the best thing is that these apps are available on both iOS and Android. And the better thing is that you can earn money by doing nothing. Yeah, right. Only install these two apps in your phone and earn money. Boom. That's so simple to do that. So before we move further, like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update. So let's get started. So the first app is Cash Magnet. This app is so simple to make money online. The Cash Magnet have get money from Android phone and they pay you when you do nothing. Right, when you do nothing they pay you money as you like. And here you can see that this window has popped up and showing us that total earning is this in your point, that's PTC points, and monthly and yesterday earning. And here you can earn money by nothing whenever you sleep and whenever you eat and read and whenever you doing your any work. Just automate this app and boom, you earn money by doing nothing. And they prepare you that you can earn money so many in your 2 months that you can buy another phone and get started on this app on other phone and make double money. Yeah, it's absolutely free and safe and generate your data and personal setting will not use in any way. Yeah, this is very secure app which you can download and earn money by just doing nothing. And here you can learn these FAQs and make more money from this app. Yeah, this is the first app which we have discussed that how can you make money by just doing nothing. The second app which I am going to show you, that is my favorite, where you can receive an automatic messages from the generated system and customers. Boom, you earn money by doing just these things. You don't have to read this SMS, just open and do nothing for that. So this app is moneysmsapp.com. The Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by system and customers. Yeah, you only download this APK and earn money from this app. The main feature is the free app which allows you to make money online by automatically on your free phone that you have and work on Android and earn money online, and it's 100% secure and automatic. And the best thing is that this app has referral system where you can get 30% which friend you refer, right, and it's 100% free before I said. Yeah, here is a 3-step where you sign up and earn. So the first step is sign up, download this app and register and keep internet running on your phone and receive automatic text messages where you can go for. And the third is get paid by 0.02 when you receive these text messages, right? This is in euro. And here you can see that they have sent this amount of SMS to the customers and this amount which they have paid, and they have this amount have registered on this website that you can do register on this website and make money. So here is how it's work. So first you download this app, and second register and launch, and the third is connect to the internet and keep the app running, and fifth is receive text messages right there and get paid online, right? This is boom. So we are going to app installation where they have show you that how you can setting your app in your phone. So go to your phone setting and in installs go to security bar, and under security bar application go to unknown sources and click it on and change these settings and install the app. Boom, you earn money by doing nothing. Yeah, that's all for today. These two apps are stunning and these two apps make you rich in 10 days right there. If you don't doing anything, you can do this work and earn more money by live your life. Right, this is simply steps, and I have discussed more and more methods and ways to earn money online by doing nothing, and I have discussed a point that of how you can make money on YouTube without making videos and without showing your face. So for that you have to watch these videos which I'm showing in description. So go to description bar and watch these videos right there. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.